When it comes to celebrating the new year, Filipinos stick to tradition. And that, of course, includes a variety of round fruits on the table, clothes with polka dots, and lucky charms to name a few. These things are believed to bring wealth and prosperity all year round. For that reason, many people would go to Divisoria to shop for goods at bargain prices.
Pagdating ng bagong taon, talagang yung mga bilog-bilog kailangan talaga yan. Dahil siya yan ang pamanhiin.
Sabi nila, swerte na kung swerte, di ba? Wala naman mawawala eh.
Siguro nakasanayan lang kasi yun lang yung nakasanayan namin. Oo, pabilog.
Here, round-shaped fruits are selling quickly, and with the rise in demand also comes the price increase. Apples and oranges now sell at 30 pesos per piece from 25 pesos. Watermelons now start at 50 pesos from 25, depending on the size. Melons and pineapples are 30 pesos higher now from 20 pesos each. Mangoes, 150 pesos per kilo, up from 100 pesos. And grapes, 250 per kilo now from 200 pesos. Clothes with polka dot designs are also available in Divisoria, priced at 80 pesos up. And horns believed to drive away bad spirit. Prices of these noisemakers range from 25 to 50 pesos each.
Dagdag ingay para safe din imbis paputok. Torotot na lang po.
But for those who want to attract more luck in the coming year, charms are also an option. Feng Shui expert Brother Ben says there are 3 things that would attract good luck in anyone's house: hanging red lanterns, bagwa, and a money tree.
Maglagay ng money tree para ipunin ang swerte sa loob ng bahay. At ang mga taong pumasok sa bahay, dumaan sa iniipon na swerte, ay makikinabang sa swerte.
Nakasanayan ko na po, ma'am, na mag-ano na ganito. Mamibili.
But they also say on top of these beliefs, still hard work and determination give us power over our fortune and good luck. Ivy Saunar, CNN Philippines.